Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So pair of linear equations in two variables. So continuing the same exercise 3.1. Question number 2. The coach of cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So now let us understand the question. So coach of cricket team, he buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Means here you have to remember we have two variables, that is x and y, right? So here bats are x, balls are y. Okay, so how many bats? 3 bats, that means 3x. How many balls? 6 balls, so 6y. So together if you add them, because they are saying together cost, how many? It is 3900. In the same case, another bat, so single bat here, that means 1x you can take, or generally you can take it as x. 3 more balls, so it means 3y, because we are considering it as y as balls, right? So y, 3y. Together they cost 1300. Okay, so now let us consider it as the cost of one bat be x, cost of one ball be y, because here we have two variables x and y. So here 3 bats and 6 balls. Look here, 3 bats and 6 balls. So you can just, I am showing you, that is 3 into cost of one bat plus 6 into cost of one ball. Together we will get 3900. So how we can represent? 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. So now take 3900 to the LHS, it becomes minus 3900. And remember, we can reduce the whole equation, okay, by dividing with the same number. So 3900, it can be divisible by 3, right? So whole equation, if we divide by 3, so if we divide by 3, so it becomes 3x by 3 means x, so x plus 3 2s are 6, so 2y, 13 3s are 39, right? So 13, so x plus 2y minus 1300 is equal to 0. So take it as equation 1. Equation 1. So next situation, also 1 bat and 3 balls cost 1300. So 1 into cost of 1 bat plus 3 into cost of 1 ball, you will get 1300. So x plus 3y is equal to 1300. Take 1300 to the LHS, it becomes minus 1300 is equal to 0. So you got equation 2. Now how many equation we got? Pair of linear equation means we have to get two equation. One is x plus 2y minus 1300 is equal to 0. X plus 3y minus 1300 is equal to 0. Don't be confused. Here x is 1300 is common, but in one case we have plus 2y, in another case we have plus 3y. Okay. So now let us plot it. So let us take equation 1. So what is equation 1? X plus 2y minus 1300 is equal to 0. So now take minus 1300 x to the RHS. Why we are now taking y as RHS? Because y is positive. We are keeping it to the LHS itself. So minus 1300 it becomes plus, x becomes minus. Okay. So here if it is like this, right, x plus 2y is minus 1300. So if it is LHS, so it becomes LHS to RHS, it is plus 1300 plus x, it becomes minus x. So 1300 minus x. So it is 2y. We have to find only y. So divided by 2. So divided by 2 now. So now let us give values for x. So first let us take x is equal to 0. So 1300 minus 0 is 1300 by 2 means half of 1300, it is 650. So if it takes x is equal to 0, so y will be 650. Then x is equal to 100. As I told you, when you are taking the values, you have to take it is exactly divisible by denominator. So you can take 1 also. 1 if you take 1000, it becomes 1320 or 1299. It is not exactly divisible. So here you have to remember that the value which you will take to in the place of x, that should be divisible by denominator. So first we took x is equal to 100. So 1300 minus 100, you got 1200 by 2. So finally you got 600. Okay, now moving on to the next is equation 2. So in equation 1, if you take x is equal to 100, y is equal to 600 you got. So solving equation 2 now, x plus 3y minus 300 is equal to 0. Now take minus 300 to the RHS, it becomes plus 300. Again x to the RHS, it becomes minus x. So it is 3y, you want to find the value of y, so divide by 3. So remember, it is multiplication. If you take to the RHS, it becomes division. So now let us take values. X is equal to 0 now. If I take x is equal to 0, it is 1300 by 3, which is not exactly divisible. So if you take points, you will get 433.33. Okay, 433.33. Here you may ask, why ma'am, here if you take the other values which is divisible by 3, yes, you can take here, you can take 100 also, 100 or 1000, or you can take it as 300 plus 1 400 also, you can take it as, if you take 400 it will be 900, so it is exactly divisible. But if you start with 0, you got 433.33. and then if you take 100, so 100, if you take 1200 by 3, so 3 ones are 3 fours are, so you got 400. So if it is 100, it is 400. So now we got two boxes, one is 0 comma 650, 100 comma 600, 0 comma 433.33, 100 comma 400. So if you plot the graph, so first observe the scale. So here x-axis, again we took two boxes, so it is 2 centimeter. How many you got? 100. 200 means 100 units. Again y-axis also two boxes, so it is 2 centimeter. So how many? 100, 200, so 100 units. So now let us plot the graph. So first point is 0 comma 650, 0 comma 650. So first point, it is 0 comma 650. It is 600 to 500. In between you have to take 0 comma 650. Next point 100 comma 600. So 100 comma 600. So if you draw a line, you will get a straight line. Next point, it is 0 comma 433.33. So 400. So 33, when you are plotting, just you move for 430, third line. Then 0.33 means just before 430. Okay, so now that is of 1 point. Another one is 100 comma 400. It is easily you can find 100 comma 400. So if you draw a straight line, you got another straight line. So you can observe these two lines. Yes, exactly, they will meet at 1 point. They will meet at 1 point. They are not parallel or they are not coincident. They intersect each other. So this is about question number 2 in exercise 3.1. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel. Share with your friends. Keep watching. Thank you.